Don't say that you still don't know about good timing in spike. Stay tuned, cause I'll tell you something that no one tells you. There are 3 passes for outside blockers: quick pass, medium pass, long pass. In quick passes, you should take the first step before the setter touches the ball. In medium passes, you should take the first step when the setter touches the ball. In high ball passes, or the passes that not reach the setter well, after sending the pass, we take the first step. Important tip: the first step is always taken. The second and third steps are for our proper coordination and timing with the ball.